Hi guys. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Since last I took the phone and just record a video. So hi guys. I hope you're doing well. I'm well and I'm just doing fine. Welcome to a Saturday in my life. I'm going to do laundry. Yeah. I'm going to do laundry. Yes, with my hands. I don't know. I don't really have much to do today. I don't know what time it is now, and I don't know what time I'm going to do laundry, but I'm definitely going to carry you guys along as I'm going to do that. But yeah, after doing laundry, I'll be headed to church because today we are having praise and worship rehearsal. Yeah, so I'm gonna carry you guys along. I'm still having on my old hairstyle, and it's old. I think I might remove it even today after I'm done. When I'm done doing my laundry, I think I'm gonna wash and then remove, because I don't wash my hair after removing the braids. I wash them in the braids. Make sure that I wash thoroughly and then just remove, because natural hair, I don't like to deal with natural hair, but yet I don't want to relax my hair. I still want to keep it. So yeah, that's what is going to happen. So see you later when I'm going to do my laundry, guys. And yes, I still remember, if you have not subscribed, please, what are you doing to me? Really, like, what are you doing to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Subscribing to my channel is very, very important to me. Subscribing to my channel is very important to me. I value it so much. So whoever it is that have subscribed, I value you guys. So with that being said, let me see you later when I'm going to wash. Hello guys, I come back. I'm back. I'm here, ready to do the do's, ready to do the work. I'm ready to do my laundry. Yeah, it is. Ah, come on. Don't do this to me now. Hey! Get out of my way. Ow! Don't want my arms to get wet. So it's currently 12 p.m. 12 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna do this fast. So that it doesn't take up my time. I am in the sun, and although it's winter in Namibia, right now I'm standing in this sun and I still feel the sun burns. I don't know how long I'm gonna stand in the sun, or maybe I'm gonna move in the shade, but we will see. But it's really cold, but still when the sun comes out and you come and stand in the sun, it's hot. So, update. I left that sunny place. I came to sit here in the shade, in my usual spot whenever I'm doing laundry. So, yeah, it's very hot in the sun. Yet if you go inside the house, it's cold. What is going on? But yeah, I'm about to finish. So let's just continue with the little few that are remaining here. So laundry is done. I actually forgot to vlog towards the ending. I was playing some songs and I just forgot to vlog towards the end, but I am done. Let me just show you in my clothes. So this is where I hang them all the way. Until there. So I'm done, and I'll be going to bath and I go to church for rehearsal. So see you guys in my next video. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Let other people know how we do our laundry the African way. So